It seems so odd, all the rain that we have had. You think, how could they possibly have a fire going on? Well, they're in a drought stage in parts of South Jersey, and the heat doesn't help. And even if they get a thunderstorm, the lightning could set off another fire, which is a bad thing. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on with that drought. Here's our drought monitor. This is a U.S. drought monitor. You can see the yellow. That is dry conditions. You can see that sort of a beige color. That is considered a moderate drought, which is now moving into parts of South Jersey. The severe drought still over parts of Virginia and West Virginia. That's where you see that goldish color. Well, this is going to continue to spread despite the fact that we actually have seen rain. We even have this across Philadelphia. We're in what would be considered a moderate drought in parts of Cook County and also lower Montgomery County right now. If we go to South Jersey, you can see they have the moderate drought here in parts of Salem County and into Atlantic County. And then back here, they actually have that abnormal drought, which again is spreading. So that is not a good thing. 80 degrees right now. The winds are out of the south to about 9 miles an hour. The dew point an ugly 77, which is making it feel like 86 degrees. We do have a heat advisory for everybody that you see in orange, which is all of you in the Lehigh Valley, Berks County, into Lancaster, also Upper Bucks, Montgomery, and Chester counties. Elsewhere, we have this extreme heat warning. Now in the advisory area, expected to feel like 103. In this pink area with the warning, expected to feel as hot as 108 everywhere except, you notice, right on the beaches and the tip of Cape May, not included. We also have an orange it's an air quality alert day, and it's an orange color day, which is unhealthy for sensitive groups. So the elderly, the very young, or anybody with respiratory problems, with this heat dome is sitting upon us and nothing is getting washed out of the air. Here are some things to keep an eye on for signs of heat stroke: throbbing headache or nausea, rapid heart rate or breathing, the skin feels hot and dry to the touch, or confusion with slurred speech, or maybe even some extra agitation. I've actually had heat stroke before, and it is nothing to mess with. You need to cool down or seek help immediately. We are looking at a few showers and storms that grazed past the Lehigh Valley and right now into Allentown. Just a brief shower coming out of Weissenberg, but for the most part we're dry. Look at this. We do have clearing that's off to the west, but not until this front comes through. So ahead of that, southwest winds, hazy, hot and humid today and tomorrow. Mild air behind it. And by mild, I mean the mid and upper 80s. That sounds pretty nice right now, doesn't it? We will be mainly cleared today with a haze in the sky, maybe an isolated pop-up shower or storm. Any storm would be a downpour. We head through tomorrow. Same thing with fog along the beaches and into South Jersey. Maybe a pop-up storm tomorrow. And Monday, we rinse and repeat the same thing. Chance of a pop-up shower or storm out there. So 96 today in Philadelphia, 95 tomorrow, 96 Monday. Not a whole lot of relief. 82 down the shore today, 83 tomorrow, 79 on Monday. And in the Poconos, 88 today, 86 for tomorrow, and 89 on Monday. Look at the water temperatures out here. They have improved a bit, but still on the cool side. 68 off of Cape May. We're looking at 71 off of Atlantic City, and 70 degrees is out off of Toms River and those areas. 96 today, 95 tomorrow, down to the lower 90s by Tuesday, and then the 80s return with a chance of storms to round out the week. Guys?
There's our relief. Okay, Tammie, thank you.